Everybody is talking about AI tools just like ChatGPT. But there is another one that's been slowly creeping up on it, which is also really good, and that is Claude AI. So in this video, I'm going to test it, show you exactly how it works, and see if it's actually worth using for things like essays, thesis writing, and research, or if it's just another overhyped AI writing tool. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I create content around AI tools, thesis writing, and how to make your academic life a lot easier. Today, we are diving into Claude AI. I'm going to go through the whole platform, showcase a few features, and then end off giving you my honest opinion. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is Claude AI when you first open it up. The layout is actually really clean, which I love because some AI tools, you open up the platform and it's just chaos. So as you can see here on the screen, you basically have a chat interface, your previous conversations kept on the side, and a really simple input box at the bottom. So it feels very similar to ChatGPT, but the real difference is how it handles longer documents and more detailed prompts. Let's test one of the strongest features, working with long-form documents. So all I'm going to do is paste in a long piece of text right here, and now I'll ask it something like, summarize this and highlight a few key arguments. You will then just need to wait a little bit for the output, and here we are. Okay, so this is actually very impressive. It doesn't just summarize, it structures the answer properly, which is super useful if you're doing research or actually just trying to understand the academic content. Now, let's go ahead and try use it for actual writing. Great, so I'm going to ask it to write a short academic paragraph about social media and productivity. You're going to have to give it a couple seconds again just to generate a response, and there we have it. So as you can see, the writing is actually really clear and it is quite well structured. But something to keep in mind that I noticed that is also very important is that it does sound a little bit generic. If you are using this for things like thesis or even an essay, you'll definitely need to refine it and make it more specific to your topic and sound a bit more human. Another feature I really like is the editing. Let's say I paste in a paragraph I've written ... and then ask, improve this and make it more academic. Of course, it then generates a response, and to me that actually looks fantastic. This is actually where Claude AI is really strong. It's great at refining and also improving existing writing rather than starting off from scratch. Another really useful feature in Claude is that you can actually upload files directly, like PDF or documents, and ask it questions about them. So I'm going to upload a document here, and now I'll ask it something like, what are the main arguments in this document? Or explain this to me in simple terms. And there we have it. So as you can see, this is really helpful if you're working with research papers or even long readings, because instead of reading everything, you can just get straight to the key points. Again though, I wouldn't rely on it 100%, but it definitely saves a lot of time. So overall, here is my honest opinion. Let's go have a look at some pros and cons. So Claude AI is great for summarizing, great for editing and improving writing, and it's really good with long documents. But some downfalls is that it's not perfect for citations and you still need to fact check everything. So overall, it is an extremely helpful tool, but it's important to not rely on it completely, especially for academic work. This is why I always recommend to use an AI tool that's meant for thesis writing. And that's where ThesisAI comes in. Unlike general AI tools such as Claude, ThesisAI is built specifically for academic work. One of the biggest features right now for ThesisAI is the Citation Accuracy Report. This report basically checks your references and makes sure that they are accurate and properly linked to your content. And honestly, that's a game changer, because citations are where most students wind up losing all of their marks. So instead of guessing and double checking everything, ThesisAI does it manually for you. If you are struggling to outline your thesis document, head over to ThesisAI, upload up to 200 PDF papers, type in a single prompt, and ThesisAI will generate you a full scientific document in under an hour. If you're serious about finishing your thesis faster and with a lot less stress, then I recommend checking it out. I will leave ThesisAI's platform link below in the description. There's also a 20% off coupon code, so make sure to check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye!